guys, and welcome to my home. Today I'm going to give you a quick tour of my home. I did give you a tour of my home when I first moved in here about 6 months ago. Since then I've kind of made it a little bit more of my own, and it is almost finished. It's not 100% done, there's still bits and pieces that I need to buy, but I'll show you around and see what you guys think of it. In my front entrance hallway, it's pretty basic. It's just got the cream carpet all throughout the house. There's my little boy, which I live with, obviously. So this is a minimalist sort of tour of my house because I do like things quite minimal, but also it's pretty much well lived in because he's always making a mess in my house. So through the front door, and then immediately to the right is the kitchen. And so I've got this round white dining table which my brother gave me. He had, and he didn't want it anymore, which is really nice of him. And above it is this light, really weirdly placed at the edge of the room. So I wasn't quite sure what kind of lampshade to put up there, so I just put up that copper one. I thought a round table would look a bit nicer underneath it and maybe make the light placement a little bit more sort of normal. And then I've got these chairs. These are sort of a rusty orange, burnt kind of orange velour, sort of velvety kind of fabric. And I really like how they are quite different. And they just make the kitchen feel a little bit more sort of homely and a bit warmer. I did buy some of the popular white sort of Eames chairs, if you know what I mean. And they just didn't really go in my kitchen. They just looked a little bit too sort of stark and too modern. Hello. Sorry about the pushchair in here. He was taking his nap. And then I've just got the one window at the front of the property downstairs, and I've got my radio, my little spider plant there. And it is travelling, so I'm trying to grow another one as well. I've got a little pine cone there. Just happen to have that, and my wooden blinds, which I absolutely love. And then yeah, in the kitchen is basic cream units with wooden worktop, which I think is quite nice. And yeah, pretty much it. And there is Damien getting the dustpan and brush out to help tidy up. Thanks, are you tidying up? What are you doing? Okay. And then we'll go out into the hallway again and see what he's up to. Where are we going? I'll just show you as well along the hallway. We've got these two cupboards here, which are really handy. They're under the stairs. So this is what I call my seasonal cupboard, because it's got all my sort of camping gear, anything if we were going out on the boats, all our suitcases, anything to do with sort of going outdoors really. Nice big space. It's not very tidy, but I'm getting there. And then in this cupboard, it is my shoe and coat cupboard. So yeah, I've got this little shelf which I got from my parents' house. Yeah, it's pretty basic, and then my coats are hung up on here with this little IKEA coat hanger rack thingy. Yeah, probably could do better use of the space in there, but never mind. And then before we go into the lounge, I'm going to go into this through this door, and this is the downstairs toilet, which is, just turn the light on there, quite large for the for its purpose. So I use it as a sort of utility room type thing. So I do hang out all my washing in here. So I've got all his nappies hanging up in here at the moment drying. This is where I store all his nappies once they've been used. And then this is my little laundry hamper basket. Again, the laundry basket was from my mother-in-law's house, and all the other stuff is sort of, you know, new boring stuff, which you don't want to get. Yeah, that's that. Ooh. Hello, what are you doing? Should we go into the lounge?
Yeah.
Yeah? What I love about this lounge is this big window going out into the garden, which is really nice in the summer because I can just leave the door open and he can be playing in or outdoors, which is really nice. The garden space is perfect size really, just for us two to play in there. We've got our own shed with all his toys in and some garden furniture. And then this is my favourite corner of the house so far. It's just so peaceful when I look at it. I just recently bought these white type, they're linen look-alike. They're not actually linen material, but they're really, really nice. I couldn't find any white curtains anywhere, and these were from Dunelm. And then my little fern plant, which I got from the Henry Street Garden Centre. My sofas, there's just 2 leather brown sofas, and they're from my brother-in-law's. They gave to us, so they happened to be moving house when I moved into here, which is really handy. The same with the foot puffer thingy, whatever it's called. Sorry about all the mess in the background. I'm currently selling some things on eBay. And then my TV. And then this little IKEA storage unit, which my friend gave me because she was about to chuck it out. I needed somewhere to store all these toys. At the moment, I think I'm going to get the IKEA Kallax shelving unit, just so it'll fit nicely under the TV, and then have the little storage boxes in there. I think it'll look a little bit smarter and cleaner there, and be able to hide away a few more of his toys as well, because at the moment it just looks a right mess. And why are you putting the dustpan? Oh, because I found a dead spider in the pool there, and I think that's why he's got the dustpan and brush out, because he saw me clearing it up. You're in that case. Wow. Shh, are you being noisy? This one is from Next, and it's like the fluffy sort of beigey, but it's so soft, really, really soft. That's why I bought it. It was a little bit more expensive than what I would actually normally spend on a cushion, but it was just so soft when I found it. And then this one is from eBay. It actually just arrived today. I wasn't 100% sure about it when it arrived because it didn't feel as soft as that one, but I think it will do. It's more of a, feels more like canvasy kind of feeling. I don't know. And then this little storage shelf cupboard, I can't remember what you call it, is from my parents' house, which she had from her parents' house. And I think it's been stained darker, and what I want to do is sand it down, clean it up, because it's got loads of scratches all over it and it's just really dirty and stuff like that. Just maybe next summer sand it down and then just put a nice lighter stain over it or some wax over it. I think it would look quite nice. That's that little corner. And I'm not sure about that lamp. I'm thinking maybe getting something like a copper lamp or something, just to make it a little bit warmer in here. Yeah, but let's go back out. And we'll go up the stairs. I really don't like here in the hallway. You've got this the fuse box, and then I've got solar panels on the roof, so we've got those controls there. And I really wanted to put a nice floor length mirror down here, but there's nowhere in the hallway to put a floor length mirror, which is quite annoying. So yeah, I don't know why I put that there. It looks really ugly. But anyhow, let's go upstairs. There we go. So this is the top landing. And so let's go straight into the bathroom, because it's not very exciting. Yeah, they're your mats, aren't they? So this is my bathroom, which is right at the top of the stairs. And it's just a very neutral, plain white colour scheme in here. I got this mirror cabinet from IKEA. It was only £30, which I thought was amazing. A little ivy plant. I'm not sure about that planter, the pot. It was just an old one my dad had, just to set me aside till I got one I liked. It's just really old. He had it ready to throw in the fire, actually. It's very old and dirty, so I think I'm going to get a new one, but one that's kind of like a baskety type, I think. Bath. Yeah, that's pretty much it. These towels, which were from my brother's friends, because he didn't want them anymore, so I'm very good at taking stuff off other people if they don't want it. And then, should we go into Damien's room? Yeah. Yeah, okay, Damien's going to show you in his room. Should we turn the light on? It's a bit of a dark day today, isn't it? What's in your room, Bubba? What's that? Is that your bed? Oh, it's going to show you. This is how we use a bed. Well, a mattress on the floor. I haven't bought him a bed yet because he's still quite young. He's only 20 months old. So he does roll off his mattress quite a lot. So I didn't want to get him a bed and him fall off too much. Is that your little dance floor? Is that your dance floor? I've got these chest of drawers. Apparently they were from my grandma's house. They're really dirty. I think I want to sand those down and strip all the paint off, because they are solid wood and I think they look really nice. Just stripped all the way down. And I got that really nice wall decor sticker. Oh, I got this from Amazon. It was only like £4 or something. I stuck that all on myself. It was all came in all separate pieces, and I had to try and, you know, join it all up. But I eventually got there. It was a little bit tricky, but yeah, got there in the end. And his little bookcase, I got that from Argos. And then his curtains, they were from Amazon. And I just wanted some nice, like, funky coloured ones, but not babyish. I don't like things that are too babyish because he's only going to grow out of it, and then you have to go and buy all new stuff. I want them to be able to last him a long time. And he's got this really nice, really soft throw that's on the floor at the moment, of hedgehog print, which my brother's friend got him. That was from Asda George. And then his little sheep and animals and stuff like that. This is like his little chill out book area. We got this really nice book when we were in Germany, and it was just all the animals that are shown on here, and they're all just in German, but they're just really nice. It's just, we got it from this weird like antique store where they just have literally everything you could ever imagine in there. And they had this wall stacked high of suitcases. It's just an amazing little place actually. I just got this for I think €5 or something. You like this book, don't you? Where's the owl? Owl? Where's the owl?
Ow.
Owl. Well done. Good boy. Owl. That is an owl. Yeah, so there's some animals I'm not quite sure of, but I just Googled them to find out what they say in German and translate it to English. And yeah, this is my little storage area over there of things that, like, old clothes is outgrown, which I'm trying to sell on eBay and stuff like that. And then his bedspread, if you're wondering, oh, what are you pulling me down for, is from La Redoute. I don't know how you pronounce it. I'll put the link below. But they did have 25% off recently. I think it's finished now, but they have some really nice bedspreads and all sort of home furnishings and things like that. And the same with the sheet as well. It's sort of a mustardy colour. Just really nice, really. Okay, so this is my room. The bed is from IKEA. I've got this little side table, bedside table, that is from my parents' house again. I repainted it because it was, oh, you turn your nutcase, because it was really dirty, just really needed painting. I just quickly done it white. Table lamp from Asda. I'm not sure how I feel about that. It's just pretty basic, I suppose. And I've got this chest of drawers. I bought these on eBay actually. That chest of drawers and this wardrobe. I didn't actually buy them together. They're from separate people, but I thought they looked quite similar sort of design. So they're both on eBay, bargain a couple of years ago. And then my curtains are from IKEA, and I really love those. Apart from, I get really annoyed with IKEA because they only do like one size of curtains, a width of like 145 centimetres. So they're fine for this window, but anything wider, Damien, anything wider, they are rubbish for basically. But yeah. And then I've got the wall panels, whatever they're called, net curtains, because I'm quite overlooked at the front of the property. So they're just houses opposite. And then my little lampshade, again, that's just from IKEA, £1.75. Can't really go wrong with that. There's not really much in this room. I want to put my, am I watching Rara now? I want to put my spider plant once it's grown a little bit in here maybe. It'd be really nice if I had like a big plant on the floor, but I think at the moment he would just knock it over, wouldn't you? And yeah, soil everywhere. So yeah, I'm not going to do that at the moment while he's a bit of a monkey. Yeah, that's basically it for my house tour. It was very quick and brief, but I just wanted to give you sort of a quick idea of what it was like. And what I forgot to mention was actually the chairs in the dining room. They were from eBay as well. But anything that is new and would likely still be in the shops, I'll link that in the description box down below so you can go ahead and find it yourself. But yeah, I hope you really enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. and watch out for any more new videos that relate to minimalism. So yeah, hope you really enjoyed it, and I shall see you next time. Bye. Say bye.